Look at that, the lovely Chaparral Motorsports. Welcome, Internet. I'm about ready to take you to one of my favorite local repair shops. They're called Tire Pros. They're absolutely amazing. So, obviously, they sell tires. That's their big thing. They do oil changes. One of the least expensive oil changes with high-quality components that I've experienced here in the San Bernardino area. The fifth oil change is free, by the way. Obviously not for a big F-250, but for a standard car. They don't charge you for the extra quart that some of these vehicles use. They don't charge you for the semi-sin. Pretty neat dudes. So here it is right here. Tire Pros, right there across the street. I just got done riding the track with Suburban Delinquent, so I'm going to pull in the dirt track, that is. He has a channel called Extra Delinquent, so make sure you check out that channel. That's going to be his dirt bike only channel. If you want to take a look at his street bike videos, that is Suburban Delinquent on YouTube, as well as suburbandelinquent.com. He sells t-shirts, all kinds of fun stuff like that. But anyhow, just got done riding with him at Milestone MX Track for the first time, dude. Epic. It was fun. So take a look at some of that footage. I'll post you some teasers right here as well. But anyway, roll over to Tire Pros. This is a Tire Pros commercial. They are actually fantastic people. Blew out the rear axle bearing on my F-250, and they were like literally $500 to $900 less expensive than any of the other guys that are out there. So super cool dudes. I'm gonna roll in and see if they'll let me just throw some air in this thing real quick. Let's see what happens. How's it going, guys? Can I grab some air real quick for my tires? Cool. Where do you want it? Just right here? Cool. See, these guys are freaking awesome, dude. Anyway, the main thing they do is tires. But like I said, dude, the axle bearing on the truck was ridiculous. Good, and yourself? Front and rear, please. $30 in both would be great. Yeah. Thank you. Really appreciate it. You guys are always great. Probably 18 or 20. Yeah, I was out at the MX track. Forgot to bring my pump with me. Here, actually, let me see it real quick. I can feed it in. Actually, it's a little bit tight, huh? Oh, I gotta skip that one. Come in here like this. There you go. Tire Pros, awesome people. I now have full air pressure in my tires. Ready for the commute home. Oh, these things roll so much better when they got air on them. There we have it. A day with Sub D. Super fun. Till next time, take care. See you later.